Hello everyone, welcome. This is Dania Esperanza. Esperanza means hope. And today I'm going to talk about a self-discovery worksheet called My Life Circle. In this image, I'm showing it completed, but I'm going to be showing a video of before I completed it as I was putting it together to show you how it works. And now I'd like to read the top of it. This is from the education that I took to become a certified life coach. I'm using it as one of my tools in order to better understand my clients, and I am sharing this with you in this video for your self-discovery. So the life circle is broken up into individual segments. They are intricately connected as they make up the whole of the circle of your life. There are many important segments of your lives that contribute to the whole. When any of those segments fail to grow into their fullness, it affects the overall balance of your life circle. Use this circle chart to measure your sense of satisfaction with each life segment. The segments are labeled work and career, finances, relationships, health, personal and well-being, and contribution and legacy. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being totally unsatisfied and 10 being absolutely satisfied, rate each segment and write the number in the space. Now take a colored pencil or highlighter and fill in each segment from the center of the circle to the corresponding percentage of your level of satisfaction. If you marked a 6 on a particular segment, you will fill in 6% of that wedge with color. So I did mine. It's a picture of it. And then it says, now what does your circle of life look like? Is it small and in need of growth and nourishment? Is it bursting at the seams? If it were a wheel, would it roll smoothly? This can be an effective illustration to point out how the deficits in one area can negatively affect all the others. Bringing balance and fullness to your life circle is what we hope to achieve in the coaching process. Identify your areas of need and bring them each up to speed together to bring balance to your life. This was really cool to do with my client. I cut out the portion of my school, but this was fun to do. It was colorful, interesting. It was quick and easy. It's something that I do at the beginning, and then it's good to do in the middle, and it's really good to do at the end, like a year later, so you can compare, because I have improved when it comes to certain things. With work and career, the first time I did this, I was a little bit more advanced because I was in a salon working, and I was very happy there, and I was on my way to get this certification, but then I ended up like being in between. After my father passed away, I decided to take some time off of hair and then focus on growing life coaching and focusing on my own healing, which making these videos is helpful to me because it gives me a reason to get up in the morning, a reason to share. And the video is going to show a little bit about how to do this. Here we have the life circle. So this would be 10%. This would be 20%. And then this is 100%. This one is on work and career. And these are the lines. I'm gonna fill the others. I'm gonna do health next. 30, 20, and 10. And then so on. And then this one is personal and well-being. Okay. I did a better job on my first one, but you get the idea. This one where I'm starting off at work and career, I'm gonna draw in at 50. So I'm doing 50% here. And then I'm gonna do a darker blue, or maybe I should pick a different color. And I apologize, we have the lawn is being mowed right now. So finances, I'm gonna make it in green. Here we have it. This one is my self-discovery worksheet, my life circle. So I will start with the good news first and then the bad news last. Personal and well-being, I went all the way up to 80%. And the reason why I did 80% is because even though I am not at 100, and I'm not obviously below 50, because I feel really good about my personal well-being. I have a good grip on my foundation. I get good sleep. I, have a better understanding as to my personality blend, what makes me tick, what kind of person I am, and it feels really good. So I'm in a good space right now when it comes to on my way towards 90 and 100, but I'm at 80 and I feel good about that. So then I have my finances. Even though they're not at 100, I feel good because I have a good understanding again on finances. After becoming a life coach, I feel really grateful for the education, and I'm not as a frivolous spender as I used to be before. And I also have recovered a lot and I've done a lot. So I feel good where I stand because I know that I'm headed towards better. I'm not where I want to be. I need more work when it comes to my finances, but I'm not where I used to be, which was in below 50. So yes, I'm in a better space. Then when we go into actually contribution and legacy is even better than finances because I put 75, and I put 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. I didn't do it by the 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. But in some areas I did do 75 here in contribution and legacy. And I do my part when it comes to giving to my time, when it comes to the May organization, whenever possible. I also donate or to the May organizations or wherever I can donate. I feel good about that. So I'm at 75% there, but I'm doing the thing, when it comes to the legacy, I'm still working on it, and my health, I put at 65 as well, which is 5% also, and I'm good, but not great. I can still use some more work when it comes to working out and all that good stuff. And then my relationships, I put 60%. I'm not below 50, but I would like to improve that. I'm not in a relationship right now with anyone. I'm single, so it would be nice to meet someone. So I'm at 60% there. And this is my example of my life circle and what I will be having my clients do for me in order for us to have a clear understanding where we are in different parts of our lives. So this is fun with the colored pencils, and when I do my clients one-on-one, this is one of the first things that we'll be targeting. And we also will have it in the downloads available for clients online.